Shots are heard from the distant countryside. Oh, baby,
Hello, India. Namaste.
Namaste, Karnataka. We have king cobra in the state of Karnataka, Kerala, South India.
Okay.
Lot of king cobra.
Yeah. In Thailand, normally brown color,
Brown color.
not so black.
Right now I'm in the cage of king cobra. I just came across one of the spot here in Aao Nang, just like 5 minutes away from my resort. We have a small village where they have the snake show. I think you would have seen in the White Lotus, if you have seen the series White Lotus, one person he goes for the snake show. So here you will find a lot of places like this. I just came across one other place, and right now one king cobra is just looking into my eye. Oh my god, this is just amazing. I have not seen king cobra in the wild. I would never ever dare. But at least in the cage, I'm looking at the king cobra. It's really exciting. I don't know what else to tell, but I thought, okay, let me give it a try. So let's see. We'll go for a show as well. We have a show for the king cobra, right?
Yes, king cobra, black cobra also. Awesome.
Okay. Let me show you how it's looking at me. Can I do this?
Yes, you can do that. More close. Hello.
It will bite, right?
More close.
No, I don't want it. No. You want to do?
Give me. No two eyes. Give me. Get it. You know that. It's black cobra, monocle cobra.
Monocle or monolith?
Monaco, like in the Ziroma. Yeah, hello. How are you? Come back. Shh. Come to see. Show me face. Wow. Oh, hello.
Looking into different snake species that I had never seen in my life. Just give it a minute.
Green tree snake, no poison in it. In the tall one, red snake, and black and yellow one, mango snake. Okay, this is elephant snake. No poison in it.
No poisonous?
Yes, only bite.
Okay. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Two.
And they also.
Yeah. Water snake maybe 4 or 5 species. Viper? No, in the one here.
What viper?
Green, brown spot, viper.
Okay. Just give me. We are going to have a cobra show right now, so yeah, let's go.
And welcome to Krabi King Cobra Show. In Lithuania, you have some snake? No?
No, there is one, but it's not poisonous.
Good. Not same India. And England, hair. You have 2 kinds. Yeah, you have other and glass snake. Yeah, 2 or 3 in England. Yeah, but not same India again. Indian have black cobra.
Yes.
Have spitting cobra.
Yes.
Have king cobra.
Yes.
Have banded case.
Yes.
Oh, same Thailand. Yeah, Indian, Thailand, same. They have a lot of snake. In Thailand, they have about 300 different kinds. Yeah, 300 different kinds of the snake. They can buy you and bye with food. Yeah. Yes, we have cobra, king cobra, Marian case, banded case, and more a lot in Thailand. And madam, I would like to tell you, snake in Thailand, they have everywhere. Yeah. Sometimes in the park, in the village, in the house, in the hotel. Yes. Sometimes, sometimes they can come out in the toilet. In the villa. Madam, it's so retail. You be careful, huh? Today we have only 4 different snakes in the show, okay? And when the cobra bite, 40 minutes, kapush. Bye-bye, Lithuania.
shit in my pants. That was fucking scary. So overall it was a good show. They have here a snake park in Aao Nang. You can come here and you can definitely give it a try. They have all sorts of snakes like king cobra, spectacle cobra, python, and a lot of other vipers and all. So you can come and just check them out. It was a good show overall, and there were tourists from different parts of the world who came here to see the show. So in case if you're looking for some other sort of entertainment apart from the beach, then you can just come to this snake park. Just look into the Google map. It's not that hard, or ask any person who is driving tuk-tuk. He can definitely take you here, so you can just come and see this show. Chalo, I'll head back towards my resort. Bye bye. It's raining and I want to take some drone shot, but I cannot send my drone right now. It's too cloudy. I cannot take the risk. So let me head back to my resort and we'll see. Bye bye.